Beautiful day today, and I just bumped into this new trick, a new hack for the older Fujifilm cameras to be able to get shutter speed setting, separate your shutter speed setting between the stills and the videos. So let me go ahead and sit down, switch cameras, and show you how to do that right now. After shooting around with my Fuji X-H1, I was able to see, yeah, this shortcut really works fantastic. You know that there's a shutter dial right here on the top of the camera. If you notice, there's a T there. Now that T allows you to control the shutter with the dial on the front or the back of the camera independently from the actual dial. So if you were to use your still side using the automatic or using any other setting in the dial, that means when you go back to the T, this actually resets to the setting you had previously set. So say I'm going to turn on my camera and start going on video in 1/48 of a second. If I go over to the stills and I change any settings here, I could just shoot like normal, and they completely are independent from each other. So that is a really neat hack, because the only other way to separate the settings between the shutter speed for video and stills is using the slow movie silent control setting in the camera, which is so slow. So I just recommend using the dial up here to get both your settings independently. So there's two ways I usually shoot when I'm outside. Either I mess with the dial here, or I will leave it in automatic and shoot in aperture priority. Now, doing that for stills, and then when I switch over to video, I head over to the T. There it is, 1/48 of a second. So that's how you get your settings independently for videos and stills using older Fuji cameras. Most of the modern Fuji cameras already come with a switch, a level switch, to switch between stills and video, so that actually takes care of that problem. But if you're an older model, this is a great way to separate both the videos and the still setting. So if you guys like this hack, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. If you have any other hacks or settings that you know about, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.